SheaMoisture Head to Toe Nourishing Hydration 100% Virgin Coconut Oil is a moisturizer natural skincare that leaves behind radiant skin. Soften restore hair and skin with this coconut oil skincare, body oil and hair moisturizer by SheaMoisture. An all-over, multi-benefit product that helps with moisture retention and smooth skin. Fast-absorbing coconut oil can be used on hair, face, hands, body and feet without leaving a greasy residue. It's a wonderful skin moisturizer for dry skin. Made with 100% coconut oil for dry skin and combination skin, this body cream can also be used as a moisturizing makeup remover or a moisturizer for glowing skin. Use natural skincare as desired to moisturize, treat, condition, and hydrate hair and skin, and to remove makeup impurities. SheaMoisture's coconut body oil and dry skin treatment is formulated with no parabens, no phthalate, no mineral oil and no sulfates. Top reviews from the United States. Great product at an even greater price. I like this product because aside from being a great moisturizer, it also seems to heal dry skin with consistent use. I use it from my hair to the soles of my feet. I purchased it from this seller because they offered it at a great deal, especially if you add a subscription to the order. I've used the product every day for over 5 years once I found out about its moisturizing and healing qualities.